observe the world and react to it. Intelligent beings do. We used to think humans were the only intelligent species. That's not true, though. Plenty of animals and even some plants meet this definition of intelligence. And now, certain machines meet the definition too. It's important to remember that AI is code that's written, usually but not always by people, to perform certain kinds of tasks. AI is in use when machines take data, learn from it, and apply the learning to a task. It's fun to joke about our future evil robot overlords, but that's not what we're talking about. Not yet, anyway. We're also not talking about the kinds of robots you often see in factories, the kind blamed for job loss through automation. It's true that many jobs have vanished this way. But a robot in a factory is not necessarily AI. If it can't learn and instead repeats the same task, it's missing the intelligence part of the AI equation. AI doesn't even need to have a robot-like body. If you have a smartphone in your pocket, then you're walking around with AI. For now, think of AI as falling into two buckets: narrow and general. Narrow artificial intelligence already exists. If you've been online, you have almost certainly encountered narrow AI. If you've ever asked Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana, Samsung's Bixby, or Apple's Siri anything, you've interacted with artificial intelligence. Also, social media apps like TikTok use AI to serve up posts designed to give you a certain experience. That sounds like kind of a squishy way to describe it, doesn't it? A certain experience? But that's really what it is. The type of experience you get is one determined by TikTok's strategies. If they want you to stay online, they can adjust it to keep you riveted based on what you do when you use it. It's even possible for social media apps to change your emotional state without your knowledge. Their software, guided by algorithms that let it learn from you and others, can influence your behavior and your feelings. This is what narrow AI does well. It lets computers strive toward goals based on rules it has discovered through trial and error. Not all computer programs are AI. Plenty of software is rules-based, which means someone has created a list of commands for the program to follow. A web page built in HTML is an example of this. It is made using tags that don't change, and it's the same page every time. In contrast, AI uses large amounts of data, and by trial and error, discovers rules and patterns on its own. Another expression for this is machine learning, a branch of AI that involves learning from data, usually by updating some parameters that can be fine-tuned. Most modern AI involves machine learning. The goal can be varied: selling socks on Instagram, catching a bogus credit card transaction, detecting disease, writing Shakespearean-style sonnets, or creating faces that look exactly like real people. The results are getting better all the time. A few years ago, for example, AI-generated cat faces were creatures of true horror. Ones produced by new algorithms are excellent. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, does not exist yet. That's the kind of broad intelligence that human beings have, and then some. A machine with artificial general intelligence could achieve any complex goal, regardless of training or environment. While it's tempting to say anything a human can do intellectually, this is not likely to be the case. Today's narrow AI is built as an echo of the human brain. But there's no guarantee that AGI will have intelligence that is similar to the kind people have. Eventually, if a model for AGI emerges, many experts believe it will surpass what human beings can do with our brains. And naturally, other experts don't. But if the success of machine learning with games is any indication, the abilities of future algorithms will astonish us. Experts haven't decided whether a machine with artificial general intelligence would have consciousness. Defining